Bienvenido a mi nuevo casa. I just closed on this place today. I'm gonna give you a little tour of my new beautiful home in Waynesville, North Carolina. It's a big house, so I'll try to go through it quick. We walk in to the upstairs, which is 2,100 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, and a bonus room. Now this right here, behind it, is a mirror, so I'll probably try to strip this down and bring out the mirror because I think that'd be beautiful to walk in. I think it would double the space of the room. Here is the second bathroom. It's in pretty good shape. Decent fixtures. Just needs to be painted and cleaned up a little bit, but the floor is in good shape. Here goes bedroom number 2. Now, I have to replace these doors. They had a cat, and so they let the cat climb through all the doors. This room needs some work from painting that big, dark, black wall. I guess this was their idea of an accent wall. And I've got to replace the carpet in here because this carpet's in pretty poor shape, but I figured I'll paint it first, use the carpet as a backdrop, and then I'll replace the flooring. Now the rest of the flooring throughout the upstairs is in pretty decent shape. There's a couple spots where the laminate is popping up, but I can try to repair those spots and glue it down for now. It's definitely not in a position where it needs to be completely replaced. This is a wood-burning fireplace that I'm going to shut off because I don't want to have renters using the fireplace. Take you outside for a second to this beautiful mountain view. You've got a half wraparound deck that connects the kitchen. There's the dining room, entranceway to the kitchen. This sits on 3/4 of an acre. It's a really nice sized lot, and the house is dead center in the middle of it. So everything you're seeing down below, for some reason they partitioned it off with a fence, but maybe they had animals at one point here. But even over here, beyond this fence, separated, is still part of the property. That's storage shed number 1. Here is a disgusting hot tub. I don't know much about hot tubs, so I'm curious if there's any value left to this. Obviously, though. I don't know if you can see that. It needs to be cleaned, definitely. But I don't even know if this thing works. I think it's certainly worth finding out, though. All right, let me take you back inside. Love that view. That view is what sells houses right there. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so we're back inside. Here's the dining room. Great view from the dining room, the one you just saw outside. Here's the main kitchen. It's got a pantry that she left behind that they had attached to the wall. But it's a pretty decent sized kitchen. If somebody wanted to use that dining room as a TV room or a bonus room or an office, they could certainly put a small table in here and be just fine. Here's the laundry room. And this is the bonus room, previously a garage. You can see it still has the outdoor entrance to it, but it does have closets. It does have an HVAC ductwork installed. A little bit colder in here. I think some carpeting, if I wanted to put carpet down, might help insulate it a little bit. But otherwise, this could be a 3rd bedroom or a craft room, an office, a bonus room. It's great. It's great space. Very big space. Like I said, it certainly could be a bedroom. It would just be a pretty big bedroom. Speaking of bedrooms, I'm going to show you the last one right now. This is the master bedroom. Years ago, at some point, all the closet doors had come off, so they put these curtains. So I've got to put new closet doors on pretty much every closet in the house. And there's some cosmetic work that needs to be fixed, some drywall work. But otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. Floors in here are in good shape. Again, it needs to be painted. Shower's in pretty good shape. These are tile floors hidden underneath this dirty old carpet. I haven't ripped up the entire carpet, but you can see there's like cat piss all over this thing. There are a lot of cats. So I am going to get rid of all this carpet, scrub that tile floor down, and I'll gauge the condition of that tile after we remove all the carpet. I might have to cover it with additional carpet, but I might not. Now I'm going to hit pause on this video because my phone's about to die. I've got 2% charge, so I'm going to save this video. And next time, I'll show you the downstairs.